At USW, we've got a range of computing courses that suit a wide variety of students, from those who are seeking to become expert programmers to those who are more interested in the applied side of computing.
Computing covers quite a variety of different topics, from geographical information systems, through web design, computer programming.
We have courses in computer science, computer games development, artificial intelligence.
They're very, very geared towards adding to the economy and skilling up students to go out and get those really important vital IT jobs.
The computing facilities at USW are state-of-the-art, they're brilliant.
They really provide us with everything that we need to excel on this course.
We've got industry standard equipment in all our labs, which the students will use in their practical sessions. We've got a dedicated robotics laboratory, and we've also got Mac OS machines for mobile development.
We also invest quite heavily in specialist labs, such as the games lab that we re-kit every couple of years to keep that equipment up to date for our students.
What we try to do is to provide them with the sorts of software tools, the sorts of hardware that they're likely to experience then when they go into industry.
There are lots of opportunities for our students to engage in placements as part of their course. They can optionally choose to take a sandwich year, which would mean that they would spend a year working in industry. Students that have done this in the past have worked for companies such as BT, DevOps Guys, Airbus UK.
We quite often get speakers in from companies like Dyson and Microsoft to talk to our students and give them an insight of what it's like to work at those companies.
We have a system called Earn to Learn, where if we get grants to work with local businesses on real projects, we actually employ our students. They get paid, so their input is valued. They get to work with the real clients. For example, the South Wales Police Cybercrimes Unit recently, we developed an app to help them teach small enterprises about cybersecurity skills.
I had the opportunity to be involved in a program called Go Wales. I was finding it difficult to find work experience coming from an underrepresented background, and so this really helped empower me to have more confidence to go out there and find places where I will shadow people in my profession and learn more about the profession itself.
The support at USW from staff has been phenomenal. My course leader has always been someone I can talk to, either with issues regarding the course or any topic in general. He's always waiting in his office, or at very worst is an email away.
I'm autistic and I've got a diagnosis of dyslexia as well. The support's mind-blowing. I get DSA, I get a specialist mentor, study skills, in-class support. It's incredible. It's like nothing I ever thought that I would ever get in higher education.
The teaching support at USW is great. We have loads of different lecturers who specialise in different subjects, and they're always happy to give one-to-one support.
We ensure that our students are heavily supported. Part of the reason we can do this is because many of our courses have got fairly small class sizes. This means that students don't get lost in the crowd, and this is reflected in the strong results that we've got on the National Student Survey in these areas.
Students are assessed in two main ways. That would be examinations and courseworks.
We like to make sure the students are doing the tasks they're going to be doing when they work in industry. So a lot of our assessments are programming challenges or more practical applications of the topic.
You know, at the end of it, you want to see a CV where you show some delineation, some difference between different students. And our assessments reflect that and give students an opportunity to explore different areas of interest.
The courses here are accredited by the British Computer Society.
This ensures that all of our courses are working to appropriate standards and make sure that our graduates are fully prepared for industry after they graduate.
For all of the computing courses at USW, we have 100% employment or in further studies within 6 months. Where they end up? Well, they end up working for companies like DevOps Guys, you know, working in software engineering, working for local IT companies, and some of them from the specialist courses like the games course, they end up in AAA studios like Ubisoft, and all around the world, really. That's the one thing I can hand on heart say, is that whatever computing course you do at USW, you're going to be kitted out for the career that's going to be an immense one for you and a wonderful opportunity.
The advice that I give to a prospective student of this course is, if you're uncertain, don't be intimidated by it. I'm a mature student and I came into this course with no coding background whatsoever, and I've really enjoyed it and found it really easy to get on with.
USW is such an amazing university. I've chosen it because from the bottom of my heart, it's one of the only places that does such a wide range of computing courses such as IT, and I just really enjoy it. It's the best decision I've made of my life.